My name is Sade, and this is my sister Abigail. And so this morning, our mom, don't worry about my clothes, I'm in my pajamas. This morning, our mom, she called us both down. She said she has a surprise for us. And we actually didn't know that we'd be filming, but I'm happy. I want to see what the surprise is.
Me too.
She seemed really happy this morning, so.
Yeah, she wouldn't let us see like what she got like 2 days ago. She wouldn't show us, so it was like kind of weird. So
Can't wait
yeah,
to reveal the surprise.
Hi, Sade.
Hi.
Hi, Abigail.
hello.
So today I have a gift for you guys. But you guys have to close your eyes. Then I'm going to tell you guys when to open your eyes. So close your eyes, both of you. So open your eyes now, the gift is in front of you.
What is this? I mean, I'm grateful and all because people don't have brushes.
Yeah, I feel like I've seen this before too.
We have plenty of brushes.
Thank you.
Do you like a gift?
Yeah, it's a good.
Seems really hype about.
Yeah, she woke us up early. Thank you.
Very much.
They don't seem impressed with that gift anyway.
Oh no, it's okay.
Yeah. We're
Loving
sure?
it. Lots of people don't have toothbrushes.
Yeah, so we're grateful.
Psych, I'm just kidding. That's not a gift.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So now I'm going to give it a real gift. Close your eyes, guys. Let me go get a gift. So, guys, I have a second gift right in front of you. Now I'm going to tell you guys. Open your eyes and see your very expensive, nice gift.
Thank you. I guess this would go more to aisle since he takes out the garbage.
wait, are you joking with us?
I'm not joking. That's what I got you guys. You don't like a gift? That's a well-thought gift. That's a beautiful gift.
It looks like you just went to a corner store, bought some bags, and came back home.
I can't hear you.
Never mind.
Say it. I can't hear you.
I was just wondering what we were gonna use this for.
Aren't you happy about your gift?
It's good, but I'd rather have the money.
Yeah.
Should have
Is
been
this
tips.
No, I would actually. I mean, I can sell this.
I'll let go.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Overprice it, $30. It's a good gift.
They don't seem to be happy about their gift.
No, I mean, I can just sell this and get it for more than I bought it for.
How much would you sell it for?
I don't know. Wait, how much would I sell for? How much is this? I don't know how much it is.
It's about $12.
Then I'd probably sell it for like 20 or 50.
$20?
I'm gonna resell it for 30.
Why would they buy it for $20 if they can just go to the store?
Or 15.
I'm gonna sell it out of the country.
Or they're those type of people who don't like leaving their houses.
I know way. It's a prank. That's not your gift.
Another one?
Yes. Finally, I'm going to bring you a real gift. And hopefully you guys like it. So close your eyes now. Let me go get it. Now, open your eyes for the real gift. Abigail, I saw you. Open your eyes now.
I saw
Are these iPhones?
I saw like a white. I didn't know what it was actually.
Cheetor. No way.
This is a phone?
No way. No way.
That's the iPhone 11.
Oh, you have the case?
Yeah, I had to put a case yesterday because I don't want you guys breaking it.
Oh my god.
You got an iPhone 11?
I got that Stephen case.
Oh, and you got us a nice case. What kind of case did you get?
My favorite type
This
of
is
case.
so nice.
Can I see your phones? Oh, nice, nice. Do you like your case?
So nice.
Do you like your case?
Yeah, it looks so nice.
Nice.
I'm gonna turn it on and charge it. Is it already charged?
I tried to charge it as much as I can yesterday.
It's so nice. Oh, this is so dope. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh my gosh. Thank you for downloading YouTube and Netflix.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
It's still mine is still turning on.
Yeah, the last iPhone I had, they had an iPhone 6S. So I thought, like, since they're doing so well with the YouTube with the studies, let me surprise them with the iPhone 11.
This is so nice.
Instagram, you know me so well.
Oh wait, so you were like pranking us this whole time, and then you're gonna show us the good one after?
Yes.
Oh.
And I'm gonna have to donate the old iPhones to the kids that are less privileged. So right now, Abigail had an iPhone 6S before. She had an iPhone 6X, and their brother had an iPhone 6X. So because of what's going on with COVID-19, we're gonna put all the three phones together, and we're gonna donate it to the shelter, to kids that can afford a cell phone, so they can have it and be blessed. Guess what, guys? Put everything back in the case. I have another gift for both of you separately. Hopefully you guys like the other gifts. Did you guys like the iPhones?
This was a great gift. I'm gonna use this all day. You will never see me today.
All day, every day.
I'm glad you all like your phones. So shall we put it away, please? And let me show you the other gift I got you guys. For having good grades and for helping Mono with the YouTube channel a lot. Even though it's 7 of us in the family, 2 of you have been very, very, very devoted and very steadfast and very, very helpful. And this is just my way to tell you guys, I appreciate you guys and thank you very much for always being ready to film a video with me and for me, and when I'm even sleeping and when I'm not there. You always come true. And if you can notice, our subscribers is going up. Thanks to my beautiful daughters and of course my whole family. But they are the main characters in the video and I'm the woman behind the scenes. I'm their mom. So let's get to the next gift. Close your eyes, guys.
Oh, I'm gonna close it. I ain't gonna close it yet.
So guys, I have the final gift for you guys. And I think you guys are gonna love this gift a lot. It's something Abigail has been begging me for a very long time. Because I don't like her using my own digital camera or anything. So, open your eyes, guys, and tell me if you like it.
Oh! A camera? Oh, it's already open.
Ring lights? I always want, so look, this is how it looks like. I always wanted ring lights because I wanted, our video, like, what if we can't film at night? Well, we can't, really.
I got a camera. I always wanted one.
This is some new.
Because, like, my mom wouldn't let us, like,
I don't
use
want
hers all the
anything.
time.
Ow, my finger. Okay. I'll just take that out real quick, and I want to show you guys the inside. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. Yeah, so this is a ring. Ooh. We've never actually. Oh, I love bubbles. Oh, this might be I guess this is like the stick for the ring light. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And I think that this case comes with 3 different colors. There's a white one. There's one like an orange one that's like for warmth. And then there's like a reddish orange. So how's the camera look like?
It looks so nice.
This is so nice.
I didn't even open this thing yet. Oh, look how clean it looks.
That looks smooth.
Our mom has like a big one, so like this one. Oh, look at this screen. It's so nice. I used to like
Hold it from the top. Yeah.
Hold on. Can I hold it real quick?
Yeah. Wait. Okay, you can hold it.
Wait, how do you open it? Pretty sure you're supposed to, yeah, you're supposed to hold it like that. Oh, it looks so nice.
I know.
And then with the ring light, this is like the perfect pair.
Yeah. This is so nice. And it's like 4K.
It's like a charger or something.
I'll show them
We've never had a ring light before.
Abigail, show them the remote control for the camera.
Oh yeah. So like a remote in here. It looks so nice.
Here.
So now you can film in your school. You don't have to take my own camera with you. You can film anywhere. Going out with your friends.
Oh, this is to connect the
Driving.
phone. You can put the, oh yeah. Like right here. Put the phone in the middle. Oh, that's so nice. It's just like the tripod.
And it has
that we
Wi-Fi.
had.
You can go on like internet.
You can actually go on
Oh yeah,
Facebook
this is for the phone too.
and YouTube.
I think you plug this in to
So
charge it, and
nice.
then this is the tripod for the.
I actually wanted one, but I didn't say anything. Only like a month ago, I think.
Gosh, this is so nice. I don't want to do anything to destroy it though. Yeah, this is probably the tripod for the light.
It's so nice.
Ooh, this actually, it
Then
looks
tomorrow?
easier to put together.
Oh yeah, there's like a wire to charge it.
What's that called now? I like
A
bubbles.
manual.
Oh yeah.
Or is that?
They gave us this to come with it. Thank you. But we got it on Amazon. I love Amazon.
And this is how you like connect to a computer to like load it onto like your laptop or something.
Details. Oh, I think you can change the color.
And this is
You
like
can
a
change to
SIM
many
drive.
colors. White, black, red, blue, green. It's called red LED ring light. I can't wait for us to put all this together and create our first ever YouTube room.
Yeah.
Oh, change the color with the remote. Where's the remote? Where'd it go?
So do you like your gifts, guys?
Yeah.
From 1 to 10, how much do you like the ring light, Shadi?
I'd have to say, I'll give this a 100.
Whoa, that high?
Yeah.
She's so happy about that, ring lights. Abigail, from 1 to 10, how much do you like your new camcorder?
I'm gonna have to copy Shade on this one. 100. This is really good.
And we can't wait to start filming videos.
Actually, I'll give this an 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's overboard.
Give me a clap, man. Did I do well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. And thanks to Daddy too. It's always the man behind my back.
This looks simple to put together. So
Helping me and supporting me.
tonight, our next video films off the charts.
It's gonna be crystal clear.
Yeah, it came up. This is a tripod for the camera. This is for the phone. This is to charge it. This is the phone holder. Ooh.
So the next thing we're gonna buy now, next is gonna be the
GoPro.
GoPro. So we can film under the water. So we can film while we're driving without having to hold the camera the whole time like I always do. So our next one is the GoPro and what else? We're missing one.
You need the GoPro, the thing to clip it to the car, and the case.
Yeah, GoPro and the case and the clipper. I'll be ordering that today. Once it's bought, we'll show you guys in the next video or when it's here. So,
It's so nice.
thank you. They're very excited. They're just like in shock right now. That's why you see their reactions. They're just in shock because they didn't know I got this. I got it 2 days ago.
Oh, I didn't put it back in.
And I had to hide it from them. They were so nosy, like, Mommy, what are you hiding? Because they could tell something is off. So finally got to see their gifts today.
And it's like early in the morning right now, so like she just woke up. But I've been awake
Yeah,
for
I'm
like
tired.
3 hours.
So what do you guys get today all together?
iPhones.
Toothbrushes.
Not the brush was a prank. And the garbage bag was a prank. You got a 2
camera?
iPhone 11.
Yeah, the camera. And she got the ring light.
So actually, I thought that it would come with like 3 different ring lights that are 3 different colors, but the remote here, it like changes the color. So it can only be white, and then it's like they call it warm. Like it can turn like orange, and then it can turn like red.
It turns red?
Not like 100% red, but like
Turns like yellow.
dark. No, like dark orange and yellow.
Okay. Okay.
High definition.
Let's cover it up and wrap up the video.
Well, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, watching us open these amazing gifts bought by our mother and father. And don't forget to join our membership, subscribe to our channel, and like and share this video.
And turn those post notifications.
Post notification shout out goes to
Elijah Mirror. I'm so sorry. Elijah Miracott.
Elijah McCara. Thanks for watching.
That's why you made me say it. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.